more cold starts. Snowing, nothing better to do. The engines haven't been starting a few days, and I have people asking me to do more cold starts, so here we go. Snow means no riding, and no riding means unhappy me. Guess we'll start out with the CBR. To the R6. Now the Suzuki GZ250. It's a Suzuki, so it's probably going to give me a good hard time to start, so we'll try our best. Get some choke. Oh, great. I have to hold in the clutch. That was a lot easier than expected. Usually it's 10 times harder than that. And now as an added bonus, I'll do the lawnmower. And it's actually not so bad. It's got 725cc twin engine, V-twin. I believe it's a V-twin. Yep, V-twin. And that's what it is. Not really familiar with lawnmowers, but I guess we'll give it a go. Now it is like brand new. It's only got 18 hours on it in total. Here you go. Give it a little bit of choke. Now it'll up just a little bit. So that's pretty much that. I don't know, this thing I think sounds pretty neat when it's a low idle like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching. See ya. And if you guys have any recommendations, like what type of video I should make, this was all recommendation. I had someone ask me to do it. Yeah, I had somebody ask me to do it. And I went ahead and did it. So that's pretty much it. And see you guys.